It's Wednesday, my dudes, and on Wednesdays, we wear pink. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just hit the ball. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited about today's video. We are going to be reviewing the new By Sculpture Evo Classics 3 collection. Oh my word. Alright, so you can expect 7 new colors from this collection. That is amazing. I think there's 1 nude, 3 solid pink colors, and then 2 glitters. Am I obsessed with all the colors? No. But are there some I absolutely love? Yes. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with Anna. Oh my goodness. I love this pink. She is rich. No streaks. Color intensity is beautiful. She's a rich pink lady. And then next we have Miss Elena. Love her. This is definitely giving me like island vibes. Sipping, I don't know, a cosmopolitan on the beach on some island somewhere. Yes, summer all the way. Once again, a beautiful color intensity. No streaks. Just such a pleasure to work with. I really love the new formula that By Sculpture came out with for their Evo gels. Next we have Miss Heidi. Ooh, she's kind of like the mother of the group, I feel. She's very nude, but a darker nude. I think she in a way feels like Barbie. Does she look like Barbie? Where's Barbie? Come here, girl. Oh no, she's much pinker than Barbie. Shows you what I know. Wow, that's not even like maybe the same color. Can't see it, but yeah. Beautiful, beautiful color. But it has the same kind of dullness, I guess, to Barbie. But it's beautiful. I think it's an amazing contribution to the Evo nudes. I'm obsessed with the Evo nudes. And I think this, along with Stella and Luciana, beautiful. Alright, and then next up we have my absolute favorite color from this collection, and that is Miss Clara. What? This is like the pink I've been waiting for. She is bright but milky white but pink. She's just, what? You are perfect. However, as you can see, it's a little bit streaky. It's a little bit difficult to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace my brush, my white brush, with a black brush. You can ask your distributor. You can just tell them, hello, could you insert a black brush in my package when you order these. I find that working with nude colors or colors that are very difficult to paint or quite difficult to paint, so especially Bella, Minky V, Minka, girls, I see you showing everybody my flaws. So I like using a black brush for those colors, because the black brush, it picks up more gel and then allows more gel onto the nail, and then it gives you better self-leveling, and then you don't have that streakiness. Just like if you want to, I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do. We have our gorgeous Luciana, again painting with my black brush. Any nude I paint with a black brush. If it doesn't come with a black brush, I rip it out and I replace it with a black brush. I must say that the only thing people have found with the black brushes are that they can't really get close to the cuticle because of all the gel on the brush. But I always work a little further away from the cuticle and then just go back in with a droplet and my upper arch brush and fill in the cuticle and neaten that up. Now, Maria on the pot. You pretty girl. You very pretty. However, that is not the color that comes out when you use it. I mean, when you take the brush out, it's a gorgeous sheer pink kind of color. Can you see that? Ish. There you go. However, when you paint it, as you can see, it's very, very subtle. It's kind of like when Tinkerbell sneezes on you. Yeah, that's Maria. It's just like achoo, glitter. And then Lexi. My initial thought when I opened Lexi, I was like, oh, okay, so they took tomato sauce, watered it down, and threw glitter in it. Huh. Okay. I was not a fan. However, I did find that over very bright colors and very dark colors, Lexi is gorgeous. She is a star. She proved me wrong. She was like, girl, at first I was like, you can't sit with us. I'm extremely pale. So when I had to paint Lexi on my nails just like that, it reminded me of this. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm not. So I'm going to show you guys a few colors that Lexi actually looks quite amazing on. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching again. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to hit that like button and turn on your bell notifications. My next video, I am going to show you guys how to take the perfect nail picture, and you guys do not want to miss that. See you guys next time.